I'm Miao, and now I'm in a place I've never been before. It's a place that's been very popular recently in Beijing. It's a tennis training facility. It's not a tennis court. You see, I'm indoor. It's a place specifically for practicing your tennis skill with pitching machine. I can play tennis, but it has been 5 or 4 years since I last played, so I've forgotten most of it. My friend, he is a tennis coach, works there, and highly recommended that I give it a try. This tennis training facility is inside a gym. So you can see there is a swimming pool and the gym. And there are 2 pieces of tennis facility. Later, I will practice my tennis here. Do you know, since Zheng Qinwen won the gold medals at Olympic Games, tennis has become very popular in China. And in Beijing, the tennis court are very hard to book. Parents want their kids to learn tennis, and young people are eager to try tennis. The last time people loved tennis so much was because of Li Na. So you see, one person can drive a whole sport, and that's the power of an idol.
这两款女士的沙布娃李娜，这款正品纹的很重。
哦。
188。有沙娃的。
You can choose the tennis racket, and this is the same kind of racket of Sharapova. I will choose this one. And Lina's, Zheng Qinwen's, and Federal Nadal. How to say it in English? His name, Djokovic, right? Now I'm going to warm up and practice my tennis. And if I play badly, don't laugh at me, okay?
这个 iPad 主要就是控制那个发球机的，然后它分为3块。我们先说第一块，第一块有定点练习、水平练习、深浅练习。定点练习它就是在同一个位置不停的吐球，相对比较稳定。水平练习呢，就是它可以一左一右，但是我们是小场地，不是大场，所以要调到中间的位置。深浅练习就是一深一浅，然后还有什么交叉、截击，我们先不打，我们先定点练习。然后这个网球的上下左右4个箭图就是调高一点、低一点、左一点、右一点。我们建议上下角度是12到18，18就比较合适。然后正手呢是10到12，我们先调到12，然后场地宽度是1，就是1。就稍微有点远了。没用完。抓在下面。
哎呀！
下网特别多啊！为什么下网知道吗？因为你的击球点太远，一是拍子压，二是击球点太远了。太远的话，你就够着打球，你动作做不出来了。所以你要让击球点稍近一点，在你右前方的位置打球，然后准备的时候你要把拍子拿起来。你这样的话下网也不多，因为你会下意识的从下面打，不会那么高，就是顺拿起来就好。然后引拍的时候引到身后。 开头下降，还记得吧？因为目的是我们要把球打过网，所以要稍微的从下面一点去打球，但也不能拍面太打开，太打开球就往上走了，就太高了。然后盯好球，盯住了球，你拍子碰到球的时候，那个拍面就是你出的方向，右边就是右边。击球的时候，拍子碰到球左边就是左边，然后再加上整个身体侧过来。后面你要想加力的话，就身体还是最重要的。打到负10秒，才能打3颗球哈。坚持保持你的动作。好了，最后2个争夺下网，再打最后1个，别高了，最后1个。OK， 休息吧。
计时。Now I understand why this kind of tennis facilities are growing so fast in Beijing. Unlike the tennis courts, which need a lot of space, this kind of facilities take up less area. After all, Beijing's space is very precious, and this kind of facilities are small and can be used by just one person, and are indoor. The weather condition doesn't matter. This meets more people's needs and allow for more targeted practice. So I think it's a great business in Beijing. And do you have any this kind of facilities in your country? Welcome to leave a comment and let me know. Now I'm really tired and I will have a good rest. And see you next time. Bye bye.